In this video, we're going to be solving systems of equations by substitution. The steps for solving a system of equations by substitution method: 1. Solve one of the equations for one of the variables. 2. Substitute the expression for the variable from step 1 into the other equation and solve. 3. Substitute the value from step 2 into the equation from step 1 and solve. And 4. Write the solution as an ordered pair. And then check by substituting your answer into both of the original equations. In 1, we have solve by substitution x plus y is equal to 3 and 5x minus 3y is equal to 7. So the first thing they want us to do is solve the equation x plus y is equal to 3 for y. And if we want to solve for y, we're going to subtract x from both sides and we get y is equal to 3 minus x. And now we want to substitute the expression for y into the equation 5x minus 3y is equal to 7 and solve for x. So we have 5x minus 3 times 3 minus x is equal to 7. And the first thing I'm going to do is distribute my negative 3 through the parentheses on the left side of the equation. So I have 5x, and now I have negative 3 times 3 is minus 9. And negative 3 times negative x is plus 3x is equal to 7. And now I'm going to combine my like terms on the left-hand side and add 9 to both sides. So I have 5x plus 3x is 8x, and this is equal to 7 plus 9 is 16. And now we're going to divide both sides by 8, so we get x is equal to 2. And now we want to substitute the value into the equation you solve for y. So we have y is equal to 3 minus x, which means that y is equal to 3 minus 2, so y is equal to 1. So we want to write the solution as an ordered pair and check. So our ordered pair is 2, 1. And now we want to check. So we have x plus y is equal to 3. So x is 2. Plus y is 1, and 2 plus 1 does equal 3. And for the other equation, we have 5x minus 3y is equal to 7. So we have 5 times 2 minus 3 times 1 is equal to 7. 5 times 2 is 10, minus 3 times 1 is 3, and 10 minus 3 does equal 7. So our solution is 2, 1. In number 2, we have solve by substitution, w plus l is equal to 16, and l times w is equal to 39. So the first thing we want to do is solve the equation w plus l is equal to 16 for w, and we're going to subtract l from both sides, so we can say that w is equal to 16 minus l. And now we want to substitute the expression into the equation l times w is equal to 39. So we have l times 16 minus l is equal to 39. And now we want to solve the resulting quadratic equation for l. So the first thing I'm going to do is distribute my l through the parentheses. So I have negative l squared plus 16l is equal to 39. And now I'm going to move everything to one side of the equation. I'm going to move everything right so that my l squared term is positive. So I have l squared minus 16l plus 39 is equal to 0. And now this can factor to l minus 13 times l minus 3 is equal to 0. So l is equal to 13 and l is equal to 3. So we have two l values. So we need to find both of the w values that go with each of the l values. So we want to substitute the values of l into the equation w is equal to 16 minus l. So we have for l is equal to 13, we have w is equal to 16 minus 13, so w is equal to 3. And for l is equal to 3, we have w is equal to 16 minus 3, So W is equal to 13. So now it wants us to write the solutions as ordered pairs, L, W, and check. So we have the ordered pairs 13, 3, and 3, 13. And if we wanted to check, we have W plus L is equal to 16. So for 13, 3, we're going to have 13 plus 3 is equal to 16, which is true. And for 313, we're going to have 3 plus 13 is equal to 16, and that's also true. And then for L times W is equal to 39, 13 times 3 is equal to 39, and 3 times 13 is equal to 39. So both of our ordered pairs are solutions. And that's all for this video on solving systems of equations by substitution.